Good morning, children. Hope you are all preparing well for the exam. Already, I hope you have received the questions also, isn't it? So, you have two lessons in chemistry, that is states of matter. Okay, states of matter lesson, as well as you have solutions also. So, two lessons fully you are going to write. Okay, and just note down the patterns, children. In chemistry, out of 15 marks you are going to write. Okay, short answers, totally 6 short answers you will be getting, and you have to attempt 5 on choice. Okay, so 5 short answers you have attempt. Each question carries 2 marks. So 10 marks for short answers and 1 detailed answer. Either of type question you will be getting. So 1 detailed answer is compulsory. Okay, so totally 15 marks. Overall 15 marks you are going to write. Physics 15, chemistry 15, and for biology 20. Right, children? So now let's start the revision. First we can take the states of matter lesson. Okay, so states of matter, that we can start with the classification of matter. Okay, define matter. What is meant by matter? Anything which occupies space and has weight is called matter, isn't it? Then what are the classification of matter? There are important 3 types of matter. 3 classifications of matter are solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. And also 4th state is also there, that is plasma state, and 5th state is Bose-Einstein condensate. But the important 3 states of matter is solid state, liquid state, as well as gaseous state only. So you should learn the general properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Definitely you will be getting one question from this. Okay. So what are the general properties of solids? So solids are solids. You cannot compress the solids. Okay. Solids have fixed volume. Okay, and also you cannot compress it. Solids cannot flow. Solids have high density. Okay, so these are some of the characteristic features of solids, right? Next, come to solids possess rigidity, isn't it? And we cannot compress it. Solids cannot flow. Next, come to liquids. So liquids have fixed volume, but they have no shape. Okay, they have no shape. Liquids flow from higher level to lower level, right? Liquids have less density when compared to solids. Okay, so these are some of the general properties of liquids. Next one, come to the gaseous state. So gases are highly compressible. Okay, they can diffuse into each other, they can spread everywhere. Okay, it has very less density when compared to solids as well as liquids. Okay, so generally the solids flow very easily. Okay, and also it is highly compressible. So these things you should learn from solids, liquids, and gases. One question you will be getting from this, right? So next one we can move to the properties of particles decide the state of matter. Okay, what are the 3 general properties? One is intermolecular distance. Next one, force of attraction between the molecules. Third one is the kinetic energy. Okay, this is also one of the important questions. The general properties of particles decide the state of matter. So these 3 are the general properties which decide the state of matter, right? So next one, you learn the intermolecular forces. Okay, what is meant by intermolecular force? What is meant by London force? And then what is dipole force? Okay, so from this you will be getting one question. So don't omit anything, you have to learn everything. Next, come to types of intermolecular forces. Okay, what are the types of intermolecular forces? Dipole force, London force, and then hydrogen bonding. Okay, so this also you have to learn. Next, come to the thermal energy. Okay, thermal energy. Define thermal energy. That also you have to learn. Next, what are the physical properties? Mention the physical properties of gaseous state. Okay, nearly in your book, 5 to 6 points will be given. So, minimum 5 points you have to write. Okay, so learn all the properties, general properties of gases. Got it? Next one, come to the measurable properties. Okay, so what is meant by measurable properties? Gaseous state which contains 4 general parameters. What are the parameters? Volume, pressure, temperature as well as number of moles. These 4 parameters are called the measurable properties. Got it? Right. So next one, define pressure. Pressure is defined as force per unit area. Got it? Right. So next come to the very important gas laws. Okay, what are the 4 gas laws? One is Boyle's law, second one is Charles law, third one Gay-Lussac's law, and fourth one is Avogadro's law. Okay, if you take Boyle's law here, at constant temperature, the volume of gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas. Okay, and also for each and every law, you have to write its mathematical expression also. Then only you will be getting the full marks. Okay, you can receive 1 question or 2 questions definitely from these 4 laws. Okay, whether you can get from short answers or otherwise in detailed answer also you will be getting. So learn all the basic law. What is meant by Boyle's law? State Boyle's law means how, what will you write? At constant, this P is nothing but pressure volume relationship. Okay, so at constant temperature, the volume of the gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas. This is called the Boyle's law. Got it? Right. So next one is Charles law. Here the relationship takes place between temperature as well as volume. Okay. Here at constant pressure, the volume of gas is directly proportional to the temperature of the gas. Here you should write its mathematical expression also. Right. Next one, Gay-Lussac's law. Okay. Here the relationship takes place between pressure as well as temperature. Okay, here Gay-Lussac's law states that at constant volume, the pressure of the gas is directly proportional to the temperature of the gas, or temperature of the gas is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. Okay, so this is called the Gay-Lussac's law. And last one is Avogadro's law. Here Avogadro's law states the relationship between volume and amount of gas. Okay, so Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain equal number of molecules. Okay, already I did one experiment, isn't it? During that time I did one experiment. So these 4 laws are very important, children. You may get this law in short answer or detailed answer. 2 laws will be given to you and you have to write it. Sometimes these laws may ask in the detailed answer also. Don't omit anything. Okay, very important laws. These gas laws are. So next come to the solutions. Okay, already we have discussed about, we have revised this solution lesson in unit test 2. So once again we can revise. Define solution. Solution means what? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances. Okay, what is meant by homogeneous? Here all the components appear in the same phase. Okay, single phase. This is the homogeneous solution. Next, what is meant by binary solution? Solution which contains 2 components are called binary solution. What example we can give? Salt and water, sugar and water. These are called binary solution because we are adding 2 components. One component is water and another component is sugar. Okay, solution which contains 2 components are called binary solution. Got it, children? Right. So next one, what defines solute? Okay, here the component which is dissolved. Okay, this is called solute. Solute means what? The component which is dissolved is called solute. Then what is meant by solvent? The medium in which the solute is dissolved is called solvent. Try to understand the concept behind all these things. Okay. Next, come to the types of solution. What are the three types of solution? One is the solid solution, second one is the liquid solution, and third one is the gaseous solution. In solid solution, which one acts as a solvent? Solid only. In liquid solution, liquid acts as solvent. Okay. And in gaseous solution, the solvent is gas only. In solid solution, the solvent is solid. Okay. In liquid solution, the solvent is liquid. Whereas in gaseous solution, the solvent is gas. Okay. So next we come to the properties of solution. Okay. So this properties of solution, nearly 5.6 points are given in the book. So minimum 5 points you have to learn, children, right? Sometimes this question you may get from the detailed answer. So learn 5 points. Next one, come to aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means what? A solution in which one acts as a solvent? Water. Okay, a solution in which water acts as a solvent are called aqueous solution. Then what is meant by non-aqueous solution? The solution in which other than water acts as a solvent, then it is called a non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means water acts as a solvent. Okay, non-aqueous solution means any other liquid other than water acts as solvent. That's the difference between aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Got it? Next one. Learn the saturated solution means what, unsaturated solution means what, and also supersaturated solution. What question you will be getting from this? Okay, you may expect one question from this aqueous solution or non-aqueous solution or saturated and unsaturated and supersaturated. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions, definitely you will be getting one question because these concepts are very important. You should understand the concept behind these different types of solution. Got it? Right. So next one, come to the concentrated solution and dilute solution. Okay. In concentrated solution, the component which contains more solute. Okay. If the components contain more solute, then it is called the concentrated solution. Whereas if the solution contains lesser amount of solution, then it is called the dilute solution. Got it, children? Right. So next we will learn the true solution and then followed by solubility and suspension. Suspension is nothing but a heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means all the components appear as a single phase, whereas heterogeneous mixture means here the components will not appear as a single phase. Minimum 2-3 phases you will be getting. For example, sand and water. Right, children? So these things you have to go through. Got it? So what are the things we discuss now in solutions? That is solution, defined solution and binary solution. Next one, what are the components of the solution? Next, solute, solvent, types of solution, properties of solution, aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and then supersaturated solution, followed by concentrated solution and dilute solution. Next one, true solution, solubility and suspension. Okay, so in the solution lesson, you just learn the aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution. Not only in 2 mark question, even in detailed answer also you can expect this type of question. What are they? Aqueous, non-aqueous, saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated, concentrated and dilute solution. You have to concentrate more. Apart from this, you have to learn the properties of solution. That is also very important. Detail answer. Got it? That's it, children. So go through the contents. What are the contents I told today? Everything you go through. Okay, and write the example. All the best.